Do subscribe. Hit like. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to install one more accessory on our motorcycle. During our last ride, we felt immense need of it on our bike. So we plan to install it. And after researching, this is the best one we got from ProSpec Performance Parts. This is from ProSpec Performance Parts, Easy Tag Water Bottle Holder. Let's unbox it and see what all comes with it. The Easy Tag bottle holder is not inclusive of the base mount. And it also comes with Allen key for easy installation. First impression, vice quality feels pretty premium. During the rides, as I don't use a hydration pack, and neither do I carry a backpack to carry water, so this is a must-have product for me. The base mount comes with add-on pads to match the thickness of the surface it is to be installed on. Installation process is extremely easy and all the needed things are provided. This is how the final results looks like. We have tried fitting different bottles, and each one fits on it well.